Welcome to Solution Point. So in this video, we will discuss this question which is based on trigonometry. This question is from one of the previous year A-level paper. Before proceeding for this question, we need to discuss three major identities which we are going to use here. The first is sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. If I rearrange this identity, the value of cos squared x will be 1 minus sine squared x. So this is the result which we are going to use here. So cos squared x will be equals to 1 minus sine squared x. The second identity is secant squared x minus tan squared x equals 1. So again, if I rearrange this identity, the value of secant square x will be equals to 1 plus tan squared x. So I'm also going to use this identity or this result here. So I'm writing it here. Secant square x will be equals to 1 plus tan squared x. Now the third identity is cosecant squared x minus cotangent squared x equals 1. So again, if I rearrange this identity, the value of cosecant square x will be equals to 1 plus cotangent square x. So I need to use this identity or this result as well. So I'm writing here cosecant squared x equals 1 plus cotangent squared x. Now let's start and do this question. The first part says secant squared x minus cosecant squared x, and we need to prove this equals to tan squared x minus cot squared x. So let's solve left hand side and make it equals to right hand side. We need answer in terms of tan squared x and cot squared x. So obviously I need to replace this secant squared x with this result, which is equals to 1 plus tan squared x minus, we need cotangent squared x, and we know that cosecant squared x is 1 plus cotangent squared x. So I'm replacing this cosecant squared x with 1 plus cotangent squared x. So let's sort this out. So this will be 1 plus tan squared x, and when this minus goes inside the bracket, this will become minus 1 minus cotangent squared x. This plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So we are left with tan squared x minus cotangent squared x, and this is equals to right hand side, or you can say this is what we need to prove in the first part of this question. Now let's do the second part. It says secant x minus cos x whole squared will be equals to tan squared x minus sine squared x. Now the first thing which I am going to do here is I will open its bracket. Let me just square this. So this will become secant squared x plus cos squared x minus 2 times secant x times cos x. Now we need the answer in terms of tan squared x and sine squared x. So I can replace this secant squared x with 1 plus tan squared x and this cos squared x with 1 minus sine squared x. So let's do that. So this will become 1 plus tan squared x plus cos squared x is 1 minus sine squared x minus 2 times. Now secant x is equals 1 upon cos x. So I'm going to replace this secant x with 1 upon cos x, and this will become times cos x. So this cos x and this cos x will get cancelled. We are left with 1 plus tan squared x plus 1 minus sine squared x minus, obviously this cos x will get cancelled. So we are left with the 2 times 1, which is 2 only. Now plus 1 that is plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. So we are left with tan squared x minus sine squared x, and this is what we need to prove, or you can say this is our right hand side. I hope you understand the question. Thank you so much. Keep learning.